If you want to create a simple website using GoDaddy Website Builder, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a quick and easy way. Whether you're starting a small business, launching an online store, or just want a clean website online fast, GoDaddy makes it possible to build something professional without needing any coding experience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to get started, choose the right setup, edit your site, and prepare it to go live. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and go to godaddy.com, then sign into your account. If you already have a GoDaddy account, just enter your login details and continue. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your active services and website tools. Next, click on My Products and then look for the option to set up a free website. This is the starting point for building your site with GoDaddy's Website Builder. When you click that option, GoDaddy will guide you through a few setup steps so it can create a site that matches the type of business or project you want to build. Now you'll be asked to choose what kind of website you want to create. In this tutorial, select Sell with an online store. This is a great option if you want a simple business website that can also support products, services, or an online shop. After that, search for and choose Clothing and Apparel Store. This helps GoDaddy tailor the website structure and design to your niche. Once you've selected the business type, you'll be prompted to enter the name of your store. Type in the name you want visitors to see on your website. Make sure it's something clear, easy to remember, and relevant to your brand. After that, enter your phone number and email address, or you can enter one of them and continue if that's all you have ready. Then GoDaddy may show you a section that says, "Tell us a little about your business." Here, you can add a short description of what your business does, who you help, or what you sell. If you're in a hurry, you can also skip this step and come back to it later. The goal is simply to give the builder enough information to generate a website layout for you. After that, the website builder will start creating your site automatically. This part usually only takes a moment, and GoDaddy will build a basic website based on the details you provided. Once the site is generated, you'll be taken into the editor where you can begin customizing everything. From here, you can click on different elements and edit them directly. You can change the text, update images, add sections, adjust colors, and make the site match your brand. You can also change the theme if you want a different look and feel. If you're building a real business website, this is also the time to connect your domain so your site looks more professional and easier to find online. Take your time reviewing each section of the site. Make sure your homepage clearly explains what you do, your contact details are correct, and your branding looks consistent. If you want, you can add more pages later, but even a simple one-page website can look clean and effective when it's set up properly. When everything looks good, you can publish the site and make it live. That's the final step, and once you do that, your GoDaddy website is ready for visitors. You now know how to create a simple website using GoDaddy Website Builder from start to finish. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful website and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.